Welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am making chili, perfect for a cozy winter day, perfect for Super Bowl as well. Tune in so you can see how I made it. So here I have all my ingredients. I've got some pinto beans, sazon, tomato paste, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, ground peppercorn, chives, beef bouillon, garlic, some shredded cheese. I have oregano, chili seasoning. I've got some already cut up jalapenos, peppers, and onions. I'm going to begin by putting some olive oil in a hot pan so I can start browning my meat. And I'm just gonna mash it a little bit. I'm gonna add in some garlic powder. Next, I'm gonna add in some chili powder, a little bit of sazon, ground paprika, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, some chopped up garlic. Then I'm going to mash everything together. I'm going to add in a little bit of chives. I'm going to add in some extra virgin olive oil in a boiling pot so I can begin sauteing my peppers and onions. I also added some minced garlic. Add in your ground beef or ground turkey. I'm going to add a little bit of red wine vinegar. It's up to you if you'd like to add it. Just gives it a little bit of a kick. And now I'm going to add in my tomato paste. I have some Kinder's chili mix that I'm going to add in. And now I'm going to add in about 6 cups of water. You can do 4 to 6. It's up to you how much chili you want. A few tablespoons of beef bouillon. Normally I would use regular beef stock, but I didn't have time for that today. Add in your beans. If you'd like, you can add in some herbs of your choice. I put in oregano and bay leaves. I also like to add a little sprinkle of brown sugar. The chili can boil for another hour or 2 until everything comes together. So I have my chili in my little pumpkin pots, and I'm adding in my onions, peppers, some jalapenos, and some cheese. Just a dab of sour cream to top it off with some chives, and they're done. Thank you for taking the time to tune in today. Come back for more recipes. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Shalom.